So I'm gonna visit my friend's newly born baby. Ling Ling and Gordon just had a beautiful baby son, and they're in this nice place in Zhongshan for 42 days, right? While the baby gets stronger and bigger. So we're gonna visit her first time, and we've got the gifts and the nappies and everything, and go and give her best wishes. Fantastic system. They have like a hotel room, and the babies are looked after by the nurses, and then they go every 3 hours and give milk, and then the baby is looked after by the nurses. Great. I think it's great for the mother to be able to recover in the early stages of after birth, right? So good. I approve. I'll think about that for my next child.